Are you tired of slow websites and unreliable hosting? Let's talk about Hostinger. This platform is making waves in the web hosting world, and for good reason. With plans starting as low as a few dollars a month, it's budget-friendly, without sacrificing quality. But does it really deliver? Let's dive in. First off, speed. Hostinger boasts some of the fastest loading times in the industry. Imagine your website loading in under a second. That's not just a dream, it's a reality with their optimized servers. And we all know that speed is crucial. A 1-second delay can cost you visitors and sales. Next, let's discuss uptime. Hostinger promises a 99.9% uptime guarantee. That means your site is almost always online. No more worrying about downtime during peak hours. Your business deserves to be seen, and Hostinger ensures it stays visible. Now, what about customer support? Hostinger offers 24/7 support through live chat and tickets. I tested their response time and I was impressed. They're quick, knowledgeable, and ready to help you with any issue. But what about the user experience? Their interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy for beginners to navigate. You don't need to be a tech wizard to set up your site. Plus, they offer a one-click WordPress installation, which is a game changer for bloggers and businesses alike. And let's not forget about security. Hostinger includes free SSL certificates and daily backups. Your data is safe and your visitors can trust your site. In today's digital world, security is non-negotiable. So, is Hostinger worth it? If you're looking for an affordable, reliable, and fast hosting solution, I'd say yes. It's perfect for startups, small businesses, and even seasoned pros looking to save some cash. But don't just take my word for it. Have you tried Hostinger? What was your experience? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, share it with someone who needs a hosting upgrade. Let's help each other build better websites together.